This is Lucy. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. We are doing my second little freezer. We're going to get that all cleaned up before I even meal plan. I've already done the big freezer. That is all cleaned out and organized. The little one needs a lot of attention, so everything's going to come out. But first, smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. If you're a new subby, comment down below, say hi. Must be United States residents. Must be subscribed. If you comment all the time, must be subscribed and a U.S. resident. If you won in the past 60 days, you are not qualified. Also, when we get to that 1,200, we're going to issue out one 5-item surprise pack. We're looking for those 17 subscribers. Make this happen, people, so we can give out these giveaways. I want to give you guys stuff, so subscribe. We get almost 2,000 new viewers a day. Make sure you click on that subscribe button before you go anywhere. Let's start cleaning out this freezer. Let's finish taking this stuff out. Make sure the phone stays on. Can't not wait to get a new stand here. I can't. This one's just falling apart seam by seam. This is supposed to be just breakfast sandwiches, but obviously it's not. I'm going to find a better way to do that. I'm going to take the caulk bin out altogether. This has lids, and they'll stay shut, and they stack, and they're from the Dollar Tree. Nice, easy, cheap Dollar Tree packs for the freezer. And usually has strawberries in here. Looks like a French bread and breakfast sausage. Can't put anything over there because he's making his lunch. I'm going to wipe out the top part before I take anything else out. This food gets stuck in the freezer. It's gross. I'm going to stop this so I can get his lunch. Are you like us and you have little forgotten bags that are shoved to the back? I'm also going to be paying attention to that. See about getting them all into one area of the freezer here. I'll wipe out a little more so it's clean. While my back's turned to you. And he was just flipping the chicken over. You gotta flip it, cook it 9 minutes. 9 minutes to start, flip, then another 9. This is a more modern freezer. The other one was gifted to us. That is not self-defrosting. I'm going to work with these little bins that I tried to find yesterday. And I found them today. So I think I'm going to put loose ice cream and things in there, loose bags. I won't label because they won't put them in the right bin. So you can see a little better into the freezer here. I got these loose bins from Dollar Tree. I want to put the ice cream bars in them. I think that would work a lot better for freezer organization. I'm taking these tiny little bags, and there's enough there for some kind of stir fry or something. I'll be using these up. That's a half a bag. It's an ice pack. Put that in there. Finish taking the stuff out, then I'll come back. I'll be back out here in a second to get the lunch now that he's cooked it. You have 4 minutes and change. I'm going to start by playing around. Everything's all wiped out. Definitely going to use those containers with the lids from Dollar Tree to house all the open bags. So when you open it up, it doesn't jump out at you, sometimes fall out at you. I got one box filled here with all the stuff my husband likes to eat. And we're going to put it next to the ice cream right here. And then I put some stuff right on top of it. I'm going to move the ice cream to the opposite side. And then I'm going to put all the open bags of vegetables and french fries in the other little box from Dollar Tree. It's the A size. I have no idea what they mean by size. I'll have to look that up. Husband got everything he needs. I added this white tray from the Dollar Tree, and it's housing some of other things that David likes to have for lunch for our quick heat needs. And it's sitting underneath his. I'm going to put another tray there with my vegetables, and I'm going to fill these up with some of the breakfast sandwiches. This one, as I said, has vegetables and french fries in it. We've got some breakfast patties, and it looks like ribs or steaks. I'm not really sure. Probably ribs because there's 4 of them in here. These are going to go on the bottom. It's always good to play around when you're organizing. I have some fish sticks that are going to go here. I'm going to leave the garlic bread at easy grab because we're going to be having that tonight. I'm finishing up the freezer here. Not much left to put back. Some things I didn't even know I had. I'm going to put hot sauce packets in this tray because all the breakfast sandwiches are in the big freezer. And chicken wire baskets from Dollar Tree. These will be easy to take out. Just lift the lid up and get what you need. And then put away the fish sticks and the pancakes. I'm good for Fish Friday, for fish sandwiches or whatever. Update my inventory list once again because I thought I was out of Dollar Tree mixed vegetables, but I just found a whole new bag. And I have a whole bag of tater rounds. And finally, the pancakes. I'll put them right on top of the ice cream. Let's take a peek. Those magnets our 5th grade teacher gave to my kids when they both had the same teacher for 5th grade. They're 5 years apart, and I have both of them still. And that was the paw print for our school district. The freezer looks so much better. Those containers, as things empty out and things over here open, I'll rotate the stock. I have to update my inventory list with mixed vegetables and tater tots because I didn't know I had them. And also spinach. I have a bag of spinach, which I'm going to be using soon. Everything's easy to get to. All the stuff on the very left is mostly David's. And then the vegetables in the rack in the middle there, the white container. Then I am using the gray containers from Dollar Tree as well as the woven basket from Dollar Tree. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. My little freezer is now done, as well as my big freezer. And now I can meal plan because I know exactly what's in my freezer. Everything is in my inventory list. I will update the inventory list once again with the spinach, the tater rounds, and the frozen mixed vegetables from the Dollar Tree. So I know I have them and I can use them in upcoming meals. Before we go, don't forget about the giveaways. All that information's down below. Always go over to Mama 4 Boys if you're new and check her out. Rachel's awesome, some of her videos. And subscribe to her channel as well and tell her I sent you. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe word. Tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share my social media.